2014 Ford E350, and high side 100 psi, low side 26 psi, refrigerant 1,530 grams. We're coming out of the front dash, ducts temperature 38 degrees. Out of the rear duct all the way in the back, there's 6 ducts on the roof of the ceiling of this vehicle, 41 degrees. So it's a worker, but unfortunately I do see some shadowing and dust buildup right here, so I suspect that's where their leak is. They're taking this vehicle, leaving tonight, and they have no time for repair. But I don't see, using the UV dye right now, nothing picks up. I'm gonna get the electronic leak detector or the ultrasonic, but if they're just going down to Mexico and back and it's just one of those leaks that take months to leak out or weeks, they might be okay. Then they could come back and repair it. And but other than that, yes, and 100 psi is normal on this vehicle with 2 air conditioning units, evaporator in the rear, evaporator in the front. And that is normal. This is normal, and we're good to go. I'll let them go, and they could go to Mexico and then come back. It's one of all the nuns from Mexico, and they're from here, but they're from Mexico, but they work here, and I guess once or twice a year they go on a little trip down to Mexico and do their nun thing, and then come back home. So we'll be seeing them back here to getting a condenser most likely replaced. All right, guys, I'll see you. Adios. God bless. I had a good man take care of me today, give me that ride earlier from the first video you heard me. I ran out of gas. He drove me all the way to the gas station and back to my car so I could get back here in time before they close and take care of this customer's vehicle. See ya.